Well, me hear some boy talk about me must make sure I wear some masks if me come back a yard. I make sure say when me come a yard, me lock in and don't touch the street. Just because me say every dirty corner boy, every single one of them, even my family member, me not care who you be. Once you're a dirty corner boy, police is slap with the whole on a brawling. This little piece of shit take it up on him head and I come talk about. Make sure when me come back a yard, me wear a mask. Pussy, make me tell you this. You realize when me I make my video them, me not hide my face? You realize that, dog? Mr. Pussy, you know who you is. See? Me not even call your name, but you know who you is. You realize when me I make my video them, and I burn out dirty corner boy and criminal element, you realize me not hide my face. You realize that? You don't realize that? Well, pussy, let me tell you this. Me I did Jamaica December 24th. See? Yeah, man, just be reminded. Me I did Jamaica December 24th. See? But I one thing me want to tell you before you make your move. And boy, listen to me keenly. See? It's not gonna be an easy move for you. And I can guarantee you it won't be a successful move. You understand me, I say? So, if you ever see me in the street and feel like, say, you are running, see? Me I gonna say this again. Every dirty corner boy, everyone who are wreak havoc in a Jamaica and a kill off innocent people, you whole out of me to no maker. You understand me, I say? A full time now for no stop. For no rubbish. A full time now for no find something constructive to do with no time. You understand me, I say? And me say it without no apology. The whole of no forget analyze. 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, or 100 by 100 to bomb buckler. The whole of no. You see me, I say? When me sit down sometime and look back at some of the sufferation when me go through, some breed of blood clot sufferation when me go through, sometimes I sit down and be, yo, the other day I talk to my old lady and I ask my old lady if you remember when we used to go to bed without even dinner. I ask my mother, you remember the days when we used to have to go to school without breakfast and we have to open prayer. The principal give us free lunch. Me ask my mother, you remember the days? There were days when I and I man supposed to go to school and I and I man have to get up and go on a bush, go and carry lumber. I go and dig, I go and look all yam. You hear me I tell you? When me reflect back on some breed of sufferation when me go through in a Jamaica and me never pick up no gun and try rob or unalive nobody. And someone look a dirty corner boy who born with gold spoon in our mouth. Someone who go to the best school. Someone who grew up with both parents. Someone who born and is like who have never worked a day in life and who still have everything. But who still decide to pick up weapon and go out there, go rob and unalive people. Well, me say it again, the whole of you dead. And who not like it, who not mark my face, who not can screenshot this right now. The whole of you dead. You understand me I say? Now, me see a news. The police analyze 3 youth, you know. Mark you. Me not gonna say the police them right, and me not gonna say them wrong because there are videos circulating with one of the youth, I think I two of the youth, them put the youth them in the van and the youth them alive. And then out of the blues, you say the youth them unalive. Me not really know what transpires still, and I don't care to know. But the only thing me know is that birds of a feather stick together. So me say the brother come out, one of the brother for one of the youth to unalive, and I say, yo, the man them unalive him brother, you understand me? I say, police are unalive innocent youth, and it nah go so. Well, brother, hear my message for you still. Hear my message for you. You better just go help plan your brother funeral and know see yourself go. Your brother spread in bed and him sleep tonight, brother. You understand me I say? I say it again. Criminal element hangs out with criminal element. You understand me I say? What are you doing in the car that was used on an armed robbery the night before, brother? I don't know what I ask you. What you are doing in that car there? With man with gun? Brother, as far as me concerned, you up to no good. You understand me I say? You know what me not like with most people and a lot of people? You have no family member, you know. And most of you know say them out there the fuckery, you know. And you not say nothing. You not even look at them and say, yo, Jano, bro, you should have dirt the brother there in the star. You have to understand say, another life that you are taking. You know. How you would feel if somebody come dirt me or dirt a family member? You need to stop the fuckery. When a family member do the fuckery, you need to make them know you fuck with them I do. Don't just come out and defend them when they get fucked. You understand me I say? And that you need to start do. You have a family member. And you know a family member keep a fuckery. You know a family member keep a fuckery and you don't want them. You don't talk to them. When them out there create for them havoc. And I make other people family a ball and a band them belly. You don't give a fuck those times, but as soon as somebody slap with few family member, them time you come out and come talk. You understand me I say? Me not care what nobody want to say. All dirty corner boy, all criminal element for dead. And a prison them for go. Go get fat out of taxpayer money. And dead enough for dead. Me want the earth. As a matter of fact, I want Jamaica to be rid of all criminal element. And as me say, Mr. Man where I say, yo, make sure me wear mask and hide my face. Me not hide my face. December 24th, I'll be there. See you then.